Since 2012, Dogecoin has seen a tremendous increase. Have you heard that Dogecoin is soaring and you want to invest in it? Do you know how much your money will be worth in the next 3 to 5 years? Join us today as we find out how rich will you be if $100 is invested in Dogecoin 2022. Dogecoin is deemed a digital financial asset due to its bullishness in the market this year. Regarding market capitalization, Dogecoin is ranked 8th, but it could do better if more retailers accept or employ Dogecoin as a mode of payment. Dogecoin is an open-source peer-to-digital peer currency that uses blockchain technology and a highly secured system for storing information. With support from Angela White, Elon Musk, self-proclaimed Dogefather, Mia Khalifa, Snoop Dogg, Kevin Jonas, Gene Simmons, Ben Phillips, Jake Paul, Marcus Brownlee, and Mark Cuban, Doge grew massively as they supported the coin wholeheartedly. These personalities continue to invest more into Doge and encourage others to do the same, as they believe the currency will be worth more in a few years. The link between Musk and Dogecoin seems more vital than ever, as Musk's acquisition of Twitter generated a rise in Dogecoin's price. Not only does Dogecoin have support from these personalities, but it also receives a lot of transactions daily with the help of NBA franchise owners. We shall discuss this shortly. Dogecoin is different from Bitcoin and many other cryptocurrencies in a few ways, although there are some similarities. Dogecoin is more of a currency than it is an investment opportunity. Initially, Dogecoin was used to reward users on social media and other platforms. When Dogecoin was first introduced, it was like a joke as it was created to fund poke the cryptocurrency, but it has grown into one of the most famously used found in the market. In 2021, Dogecoin was on a different level as it took the market by surprise and soared hugely. The coin continued to grow with a considerable raise in April 2022, when Twitter accepted Musk's proposal to buy the company. As of 5th November 2022, a $100 investment in Dogecoin could buy about 789.70 Doge at a price of $0 and 1,276 cents per Doge. If Dogecoin returns to all-time highs, the $100 investment would be worth $582.48 by the end of 2022. This means you would have made a profit of 482.48%. Other analysts also predict that if an investment of $100 is made today, a $200 increase will be made. Hence, an amount of $300 will be made if Doge continues to rise. After Elon Musk finishes his Twitter deal, Doge could benefit significantly from retailers and raise to $0.20 by the end of 2022, as it has strong backing from social media communities such as Twitter and others. Doge is involved in a lot of daily transactions globally because it has the support of the NBA franchise owner of the Dallas Mavericks, Mark Cuban, which allows Doge to use its payment option. Kindly know that nothing in this video constitutes professional financial advice or guidance. Ensure to conduct your research before you invest. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel if you have not done that already, because our videos are only for our subscribers. Although the coin is expected to trade at $0.20 by the end of 2022, it is worth more than $30 billion. This we shall talk about later. As of today, 10th November 2022, Dogecoin trades at $0.817 per share. Although Dogecoin's value depreciated over the last 18 months, the coin is still expected to rise to 0.60 by the end of 2023. Some analysts believe that Dogecoin could be integrated into Twitter. The coin has some real-world cases, such as receiving tips online. More people will hold on to Doge for its utility if the real-world case of online tipping is employed more, as this will mean more profitability for investors and the currency at large. Doge's value had increased significantly, rising to 30,330.31% from when the coin was launched as a crypto trading asset. Dogecoin is worth more than $30 billion. It doesn't end there. The coin is expected to rise higher because it is going through some upgrades. This only translates to more profitability for traders and investors. Elon Musk believes the most entertaining outcome and the most ironic outcome would be that Dogecoin becomes the currency of Earth in the future. Experts at Wallet Investor estimate Doge to trade beyond $0 and 441 cents by the end of 2022, while Trading Beasts experts believe Doge can trade at $0 and 2,729 cents by the end of 2022 for the short term. Again, Trading Beats estimate for the coin to trade at $0 and 3,010 cents by the end of December 2022, while wallet investors predict the price of Don't reach a cost of $0 and 650 cents by the end of 2023. For the long-term forecasts, wallet investors expect that Doge will trade at $2 and 674 cents by October 2026. This means if you buy $100 worth of Dogecoins in 2022, it will yield about 2.7% interest. In the long term, the experts at Wallet Investor estimate Doge to generate a stake of 140% if $100 is invested before 2022 ends in the short time, then 350% profit in the medium term and 500% returns in the long term. Dogecoin is part of the successful cryptocurrencies because it has a medium of exchange of divisibility. Investors who do not invest in Dogecoin and are interested in other coins like the XRP should watch our video on how rich will you be if $100 is invested in XRP Coin 2022 to know how much your investment will be worth. Thank you for watching.